Veuer.
Forgive me while I stick a lozenge in my mouth here.
For some, this is unforgivable. Democratic frontrunner Hillary Clinton's critics are convinced she's not fit for the presidency, literally, and her constant coughing fits are proof.
Too much to say.
Conservative blogs like the Drudge report write about Clinton's coughing regularly with dramatic headlines and conspiracy theories alleging some type of cover-up.
So, I need your help to do that. I also need your help to let me get a drink of water.
Just do a simple YouTube search and you'll find dozens of clips. And if the critics actually did their homework, they'd have an answer. Hillary Clinton has hypothyroidism. That's public knowledge. The thyroid regulates metabolism, which can be thrown out of whack and cause coughing, dry throat, and fatigue. Hypothyroidism is easily treated with daily medication so that people can live normal lives every day. For Veuer, I'm Carly Figueroa.